What Little allegedly told Smith's team earlier this year could shed more light on how Smith accused Trump of knowingly violating law. Former President's 100's indictment against Trump on June 9. He said he was against subpoena by hiding more secret documents from U.S. the FBI and even its own legal team. And then its legal team approve otherwise. The National Archives asked him to return the documents received from the White House. Allegedly, Little recalled that was trying to impress investigators on how serious the issue made him. Sources said he had warned investigators that you have to sleep Trump. However, indictment against Trump in Florida alleges that Trump did not comply with it and did not hand over all the documents at his disposal, allegedly preferring to block Justice Department's efforts. According indictment, Trump in particular tried hide that he continued keep secret documents and claimed that all confidential documents were returned, causing the submission of false documents. FBI. Terry RennaAP file. Okay, I understand. Little, a former Georgia state prosecutor, currently represents Trump Fulton County, Georgia. Trump and 18 others in this case. Georgia's 2020 The presidency has been accused of conspiracy and extortion charges stemming from its alleged roles trying to disrupt the election results. Little was hired by Trump for the first time in March 2021, only a few months after he left the White House, and shortly after authorities in Georgia launched an election-related investigation, according to sources. More than a year later, however, he began to briefly help Trump on other issues. File of lawyer Jennifer Little's speech as she appeared in court at the Fulton County Courthouse in Atlanta, July 1, 2019. Alyssa PointerAP file. For much of the year after Trump's resignation, the National Archives pressured him to return government documents he still holds. When Trump finally returns 2022 boxes documents National Archives in January 15, he said, about 200 confidential documents were found in it, causing National Archives to pass on issue Ministry of Justice, which launched an investigation into Trump's handling confidential material. 4 months later, the Justice Department, which believes Trump still has more classified documents, issued a subpoena to Trump. Sources said Little had suggested hiring a lawyer who had previously looked at federal lawsuits. So Corcoran was hired and turned the matter over to him. This was Corcoran's first face-to-face meeting with Trump, and allegedly Little wanted help make it easier for Corcoran to get used his new mission. But sources told ABC News that Little had a greater purpose going the meeting. He wanted to explain Trump that what had happened in the National Archives before was not important. And Trump particular never. Sources said he swore to them that he had delivered everything under the penalty of false witnessing. Little told Trump that he was trying to highlight but now